And then Cosmo Tribune Punyankupo. Everywhere you be papa. Yankupo, you would not see. Why is our money with Aji? You are why is our money? And the other pay, what may have don't be a somoso against the camp. Any of her party, and coming on can come. Also, Tribune Punyankupo down on when you any more. Or Yan Chapamu, or yes, and 7 presidents, Sabia Brew, Nisikan, Timmy, Madum bin Sonos. And Tano Pay, I shall not say Yamia, you be papa. As Simon Bianan, somebody upon Sia, and a Ghana Casa, house on a Ghana tea. I shall not swam say, Nay, Benada, Sumbia, Subia. August, the most of the data so the new 25th day of August 2016, 2026. And Yami, why you be papa? You will on my menu, say, as you speak. And run a walk or down now on inside the public bench. But a person, a wood TV or pay, or yet to Muse. And there, yeah, Benade, Yamia Domo, a film Pinunia Donuzia. Kadanka da ye ko enimu de o gidie bi se na me de ne betwa. So good morning Asiama Vida, you're watching me live on TikTok. Hey Kwaku, good morning Mr. Serious. We now mo me live on TikTok on Opai. Oko YouTube so aya Hwenepa FM. Ye ni nkoma no pai. I am one official me catch Krobia Sante. Opai shadow so me say o dubi na o timenka. You know it's as for me center na o timi on Opai. My chat no size. Let me show the Niagara crowd. Oba pass our ampa for bracket 2. I tell you, on so I'm saying now. As I want to be able to there. Only what we saying on a Pamecham Council Cosocra. Out of my charm will be a good hospital junction. Sounds so and now Ukupiemu. I will picture that Jehovah needs. Picture for Nayama, how fresh you know. I remember what the picture for ne. Timbu yakitim ne baho. Fanchanya na why. And akwasi also bring to crew. Fashion in Niagara cry. Cut across for sister Joyce Butunchemu Otongobe. And the gobe no meaning say how nana jakitem ko. So the only nekika can go benefit. I don't know Kwame Abrante. What them a testing officer in your near who what area had your own testimony. This is just saying Chema me bana bo Hawaii. No be test to go be na me ave. Ara pe jam me kwam de jwa de bre was man se boy. Obena mo fa no sanso no de no Kwame Abrante. Ejina na so to niam as a producer. Bongo 4 PM PKK edition. Hanuma no pay oba mama obi oyo mo position pa ebongo menye bibia mananya Abrante we feda bongo 4 PM na o hye ne bo no wani so a wa hwa ma me kura beti bongo hanuma free pechurch ana pe no so de ne me ko YouTube na o monitor me na o hwe me ho no ade pe na enemy producer ana fe the woman king nyame ke chekwa boati na ye champion ni fi asoro no sanso production work no ana pa mentia no so why me abeka asem akwa bibia bokode me ma me no oro ana pa me chacho mu ina kwanso koso kra ya trase ene benede de enche de yes man se bo bewrum ze do Tuesday na time ni so ana mentia se quick na time na so Apa komono doso ni na di kan ni na di tie beje bread na yede ni na mama kuma kosa shano so me na na oni mo obogu market to ese me mom kwasa mama fo pa enti obogu market na temen kan na yede nkran sama ba besama mo ye nwura mu ja na me mom besama obogu market fo mu ntie mu yede be ba ho no enti se wura bigu dwam ho na won sesa ya sesa na me ya sama amotontonu no gata no ho gata no mu aye fi na amotonu no ene be sama ho de sama na na kokoto next time kasa beti ana de bia mma echim sa mu fie ana na mo yesa no pay shadow some me pa. For comment for 0596900046. Major break can come up. Let me be to me come up. Na shadow some me say. Yeah, me din come on open we said you must shadow me say. Sorry so no so do so papa. Now when him say general secretary for the MPP come on. Justin Kudia, yes, he was saying of so some could be. I'm for Bibia Bokodia.
I had Adam to on
debut. Oh, can I quiz a chamaun to me or that is a chamaun to me or that fiasco? Or could be. Never bet in this. I want about Yaman.
I didn't on your call.
I don't obey Zoom.
Under that's all call.
Now, Zoom, no prison on Obama. I Zoom.
Chairman to me, call.
But Martin was some say, a bit of some of
yes, 11 position. You mark 50 nepe.
50 nepe.
50.
Position mark
11. Position 11. Nipa file form to pay 50.
David MPP is say no. And Omo say where dan say.
Oh, that's a kunya na ato.
There be na kunya to na zo bi a previous as mu de bibi no. I was say sa do de bi oba bi obi a pebi adi. What I say? Once I can no amamrem nanka akonya to a tete no na eye na nche da nya apre mo sa obu otum se ne wo fasisu no obi agaje unu se kro bia sante ka chiri kro bia sante ya na ne wo fafiri mo bi di ade no wo ti ase iteduru a obena mo fa me cross no
da bi
eye na ntokwasem no kro ha na enya dodo sa be ne de utum se obu ono wo chi enso
obewuram
oyo boga kakra wono hunti
ti chairman afo na omo yakwa chairman ni Paul Afoko John Boadu Boache Jakon Bernard Entry Boasia akon ana Same Grabi
Same Grab
ono so ekobi
Same Grab so kobi ti enum na omo kofo fe chairman ankasa na first vice so
first vice no amekwa secretary
nko
Eugene Boache Entry Sylvester Tete
Charles Tete ye okobi ana Charles Dwamena omo na ene Justin Kodu ekọ omo so ye 9 o send ye ni be befa we be ka ye mebo ni oba win ni na achiro metio
sa ana ye kono communications na communications na nkomo ye emiensa but ba kwasifo abeta
asarbedi akosifo
abeta Americas aboade achi aha they say I Dennis Miracles aboaje ana ba ko Evans Kodo
ono so ka ho nti omo yesey
mo so ayemienu
so ho de asa emutu ye da ho flat
metio kama kama pa na ma me hwere me ko first vice one aha ayi me 13
everyone 13 first vice
vice chairperson position me 13
o de baby no maka first second ni na bo asa na so mo third kura na
okay so mo nya third
okay
enti ye wo Henry na Boache
na bi ko first vice
na bi wa free organizer ko first vice ye wo Kwadwo Ofosu Buadu
ono so ko first
vice Mustafa Abdul Hamid
kokko no Mustafa Yayi former chief executive National Petroleum Authority ono so ekobi okay
ayi ankane Kumasi mayor Sampan
Sampan na no Kumasi Okobi Sampan so ekobi
okay ono so ekobi ana afei wona aka so ye Richard Ahiagba and so ekobi so one National Communications Director
ono
ni oko
ba as a man for share and tin di ono
Abena Pokuya Amwa Alhaji Masaud Osman
so ndi asa wum dada
do na afa ne chema bugabuga
ono wum dada
ono so ekobi ana yewo Yampon San Frempon
mana ballroom pa
yewo George Kwabena Bankwa yeboa
no so ono so minimum no
ya ono so ekobi
Mr. Bankwa ya
Richard Oti Aboaje yewo Bright Kumi ono so ekobi Nana Akomia so
Nana
Nana Akomia so kobi anti club ya omodos
oye na what about organizer na me organizer na me hwe mo mo
organa me kwa ase ho organizer na be wa ase ho ba bi club ya say mo ayedo nti na me kwa we general secretary we national treasurer national organizer yewo Daniel ni Kwati Daniel ni Kwati Salam Mustafa kwa mprempe
Salam Mustafa ekobi
ana kwa mprempe kwa me say ne di nkombo kasafidie so pe
ne kwa mprempe kasafidie
Mr Gamo Emmanuel Buja Nana Kwadwo Ajen Yeboa Daniel Ajeni Mboaten
organizer na bibiri bisa no
mo ya nwotwe Ali Halidu
ya Ali Mega Halidu
on the baby no aso agbo ndi ba
o minimum ntia
ana ayi women
ma ya adwuma ne mpasu asoda enta no ya MP ya
okay ana yakọ national women organizer mo ye miensa hawa kumsen
oya
Mavis
hawa kumsen
senka on hwe nsu na me yeso
ono hawa kumsen
baden den
okay
ono ankasa
so je ni ba no
Safia Muhammad
okay
Safia Muhammad enso ebebi ana ye pepe twa eku akwada
ezeza omde ba ma hawa na ye de
sa
na ye de o se me se eduru amabodi na kire mo mbenya ba bia amabodi
okay
ento mfa ho so
sa okay anti eno no
ayo
oye shuma
na odim se ba bend asem ya twudwa se minority was mrahye bidwom efa eye gold board ho sense so se sami je fi bi edu no be dey
ye betwena ba
the back ben say was debate kakra dey ekoso ansana ordinary day aba enti minim after debate na sami je fi obehwe de na ba na nsembu obi ya no na ne say mo na meka se eye court na court ho na mrahye bidwom
ho na mrahye wiade ho se we na okeka fa ayi ho no
okay
we ho no na no OSP so asa ba mu
mahu
OSP abam anti no ho asem no so kra nkrata na de ababa ba na se ba omi ahya kirewu
o se de wa chi
ba omi ahya fanwa chi se oni in yodium o se fanwa ko no na ti ko se ko
okay
ejudi we de Judy de weka bia
the press conference na Dr. Mumbo omi aka
chichire
za afenyo mark en press conference
za oni
eti figures no mu ko tu na se edu ba bia na na mencheni na oka ho bi
na mo nchen figures say the no ano mo ka
do no mo ka
1.7 billion they say no ano mo ka
enye na say entry
say you see ano ayi am hu sa fanya de ko yedem ana mo say approximately to 22 billion
no
1.7 US dollars no
say no convert here
na call 22 billion
and them no mo yard
tino eja no de ene de amadi
na extortion no na me pese di ho nkomo yi afenyo wakwaji sika mpa na o se san nkomo no ba bonti be yi na ono so nka ho asem
o so what so o se o ye ready so be face OSP so OSP ye bam ntu krata na ba so o so ye ready so be face OSP na o de wen so be court no akwa kire be kura okoji scan
ayo afenyo de menji ni so be jiska o je de be ka ho asem ba menji ni so be je ento de ma enko na sports for ma yewe benya da je de nkomo kakra na abusamo fan chain na no pai weda no amayanya report bi se nema ba kumenu bi nti ene de is a ya anka se kai tete de no hwewi ma na wa ready and ene de obogu ne konongo fo mo fan chain ma mo ko market no weda man de ba se nema ba kumenu bi nti yem fan show china menim se be ono wontumi an ready they don't know nti what the message am I nti mu fan chain nti ne de mo amu pia mo hwewi ma na ma calculate atiti bi afrim na yetum de akwanim nti bibia ni na so my signal so a be mama so ate madama nti yentwa ho komre ba na the stories no kakra bram na fi ye wura wo potem na nkomo no do so mo fan chain ya tam no ye nhye da nya tam no dodo na ba yakoba ne be nya bre no dodo na nti yankomra why na small centers
yatena se on pay e de munsam eba abesumu Champions League games e ho no ene anwumre e de munsam eba e na fensem pi na aka no pay yatena se de besum na so se ne mate from the world of sports eno e de efi ho ba ye de ma yemfase da e madwuma ku no poma so asene ameri dwuma de ne bro no pay yemfase da kese pa ma YB Music Enterprise enei yaka cho se obetenyum amanyuma ye de wasum na afenzu so watimi atede e ye enyum to de a ene ho na so ko na afi ni ma de adwuma nyina no kwaje bi na bibia etumi kama de ntine upe speakers upe power amplifiers upe mixers afi combos upe microphones drums cables and afi the friends package come on and bread ubema bi na so musu makodu dwuma afi influence centers no ene ma de adwuma nyina ne why bend the center edro no eye bam heba ma eno so ba ama be ma oba akoya adwuma brelton kaza honam yo ya mugya no entimi na fusan yesa kaka bia wo se ananse achim ananse onye police onye soja eno acho wodi no ene say ya na sabe oposo ya sisi ya jongu no fa bi sasa so na ebedu anopa na ho oto na onso no otu adwuma so ama ne ma atia kwa kama eno so adwuma so aba bi eto do bi akwa bodin oso pe ba mamam heba bam no bibi na afefa kodi dwuma na enema ni ye kama fomowa eno so kan bi na pe atena se a ya de ensembro member dro no the new best man capsules bema obeye bema mpom na afi so onije bomu na ema na jiwadi sabe abo abaso mpamu a wadro no en mabodi nema the new best man capsules GB na afi ebo bia no pa mienu anwia mienu anyumre mienu bedo anyumre anajo akoda no na sabe bema no eno so ejina so peme na so atimi akodwuma ame manager wadi na bibia no atumi ay kama de amawa eno aye dra your friends the new best man capsules na beboa ama bema umema ye no enso SPS ta empom na bibia so atimi akwa kama wom ni atansa no pai ye de ensam no ebro ma me gancho se nei entade papa fie no ebe bia friends e kwanche fo na boutique e ho na akwa entade no obenya bia to mema de ho ma de ho na afeniema atumi aye kama de amawa ene mema entade no ope jeans ope khakis ope ye Lacoste audio ope shirts shorts and as long sleeves ope suits ope mema shoes for every occasion benya bi ope mpaboa ze mema slippers sandals nyina no belt audio nyina bi ho afi madi ma menka cheo se ne uroma ye straight dress or tops and downs ope their friends say ye dinner was benya bi de konsore de ko occasion bi an madi no eno so de bia ba de wa pa kwaji bi fa di djuma bia na emu afi mampaboa footwear sandals nyina no obenya bi na osusu ato na ma kama nkwada de no school bags na nche na nkwada no because school bags ni bia ba mpabo ni bia ba afi nkwada ta de size bia ni age bia no benya bi open traveling bags open kula ga akowade a na so ma bi we no ne de no eye munu fefe pa afi wristwatches ebi ho necklace ebi afi eba ne ma di sese free su kosi form de nei ba bi a aba na kama na efo no eye kwanche fo na wadi boutique ho na so ko na kwajim ne ma etumi ekwere ma mo ba bi a friend say ye dwa so Jupiter guest house animu ha obedu na mo ho na de ope bi no aja no pay mo bie no nsu kwesi no nwotwe da bia obetu mo na de ohia bia no wom na bia kama wom so ka nya no pay ya tena se idea gudie mu sembe so mo ahwen pa 95.5 FM na bia so no atumi akwa kama na Skynet satellite season na shase kwaju decoders na fe eso ehwe games ni na niema entumi kwemfo mo wa enai open their friends Canal Plus obenya bi open master obenya bi open DSTV open ye Go TV na no obema bi ato na niema atumi kama na ebase recharge ma ana so obase ebo aye TV no FM da homa oni nyina no ye be bi aso ye boys ni beba abetwa to na fe so atumi ahwani so ade na enioma atumi awo kama obase utu a bills DSTV Go TV Star Times nyina no o friend number na obeya ma no recharge kama TV na hwe na nje ba film okonongo Opsit Commercial Bank Mr. Kweku okoko na fedi ohia bia no nyema na enema nko mia kamera no pa ya tana sa gude mu sem beso mu ahwene pa 95.5 FM so na bibia ay kama sana tienshen sem na se envan fi eye enura games atodwa wo Europe na se na teromu ewo eye Spanish La Liga na eno Malaga etna fi ese wana Emma Deportivo La Colonia player friend say Francois Aubameyang ono so tika ne moma game epa 1-1 afio Sasuna so atina fi wan se bi Emma team friend say Levante so antimi anto ateno La Liga no urom ye bia friend say Italian Serie A na say na results ne kwe Roma engrofo etino menamu omobo pole and 9 Emma team friend say Fiorentina boboko no antimi antibia player friend say Daniel Malena ebo hat-trick momo ema bibia eko kama eno de free be de mo play na se Roma Bologna boboko no eso etina fi wan se bi ema Lazio be che no etwa ne ka ba ko Bologna boboko no antumi anti afro Roma Almighty Premier League and Roma Craven Cottage of Fulham etina fi ebo 2 ema Chelsea ekwa chomchamatika mensa we derby London derby kase pa West London mum derby pa ekwa so Fulham for no ebo 2 ema Chelsea for ebo 3 in the Roma. Chelsea goes no a player friend say Joe Pedro under 1 minute na Brantia no or the ball at what menye a mere money 1 minute ni be we football 1 minute pepe and a Brantia no any ball to what money wabeye the first player Ghana Premier League no first week no was the earliest go 31 seconds and a Brantia say go now and Joe Pedro Maza number 9 no or so for or the way juma e the Chelsea and not what number ko e Chelsea so player friend say Cole Palmer or no abo ba ko e Chelsea and after player friend say Morgan Rogers or no so e ba ko kan homa Chelsea SM yensa Tima a friend say Fulham boboko no eso etmiti kanim mienu honoma enra Roma Chelsea say won say JPR Morgan Rogers ewomu after player friend say Kopama ejinamu ena fe player friends Jepedo mu nyano ejinim hu ane mu ensenya no masa obi ato atena edema Chelsea ade na no edin ede ma Premier League teams na enu e de fu ebe de no game no kwa wie no goalkeeper friends Robert Sanchez masa Crawford yesin so bo papa Crawford di na tema o mu huru no o msi goalkeeper no asan because nyo no a enu anka Chelsea betia keep clean sheet masa ye bobo na se bopo ni ma we Chelsea fan kwa na misu because ade na eba na pressure e won so a enu player and as goalkeeper friend say yes Sanchez no and they amount for pine kasasi Chelsea for no some Premier League dey nei mumpe new goalkeeper nyesa dia sa kwa we die league no e be san so ahwe ma muntimi nya eno e de frebant no hwe Chelsea boboko na say ne ko attacking three no Joe Pedro essay 1 goal 1 assist Morgan Rogers essay 1 goal and afi Cole Palmer essay 1 goal 1 assist o mienza no adwuma edima Chelsea enu de fu ebo ediment JPR enu ni Chelsea up front no sa na ti ayede ema honoma sa ti ento asem so na afi enwom a urom ensem from a makacho say no Chelsea game no player friend say Moises Caicedo want me see akan sa so na player friend say Palestra so want me say kan coach friend Alonso no o say 2 players we omnya setback e wo ye week ni wo me train no asa no mo feel comfortable sentiment so 2 players me nya no and say can say the following game on but next weekend no against my friends say Brighton no don't say 2 players back into the squad no so to me adwuma e dey Chelsea and also dey fu ba ye dey be man name ukoba be friends Saudi Pro Liga team friends Ahila Boko no arrange agreement with player friends Gabriel Martinelli till 2030 no yes 20 worth around 25 million euros per season to Brantia no sika twidwe pa na okojagun botomo a ene asan Boko nso benya sika be 65 million euros enu player friends Martinelli no ono nso fi Arsenal agrom e was Saudi Pro League go say remember Ahilala yes team friends Chelsea no mo de ne de and then 8 minutes time because Chelsea for no pay something around 120 million euros and sana player friends say Pedro Neto no jana enu so de fu ba di bi ma o medens na yentu ansem no so na afia nko anima enu player friend say Julian Alvarez so say akanma 18 Madrid no say Barca fu epe no na sasa gawe no until 1st September 2026 no enya hu nsem nka da bia da ese Chelsea ni Enzo Fernandez ensem sa na tie almost egu so keka bi say no player friend say Alvarez no yes kwa like ni picture bia as o FC Barcelona jersey and a player no akɔkɔ like sa ɛyɛ picture no kyerɛ sɛ adeɛ no munya no nane ɔnkɔ because team a friends Barca no onya obebo a eno player friends Alvarez nso mefiri ba yɛde bi ma odwade nso ɔse mo mane nkwa ɛne yɛ team adebo buku no abropa no bebo mo esina so ne na kuma nyina no akodi Barca yɛse Arsenal fo bede no ɔse mo nka kra mana so nti because Arsenal no ɔmo ne ɛmo kyina ɛne Alvarez nso mo de atudwa yɛde bi ma Chelsea buku no yɛse ɔmo striker player friends say yeah Liam Delap no and the team friends Nottingham Forest for bar omni Chelsea for din komo among komo do chire pan around be say 50 million euros no Chelsea for age player friends say Liam Delap amana ko Nottingham Forest akosi akane moma and we dey free about 23-year-old striker no obego medicals ne na fe owia was an contract man Nottingham Forest na fe Chelsea for no apocket some around 50 million euros and so dey free about the DB Emma Honoma san tene Uroma Malansa as a Chelsea player and as Mamadou Sarada on so say again Chelsea team friends Sociedad for no as we need player no agree on a year season long loan or Kwago Siakai all the league them friends Sociedad and we player friends say Mamadou Sarada and also a call from Chelsea for signing every team friends Strabu and also by no as when said then be more than no and Sociedad for bar some player on loan and we option with no option to buy and also they free bar and be much medians no run some mu now for your 12 Hull City for no Manchester Masters no and they for no yes say and now no say Manchester for no will be adwuma sorry adwuma ben ya yes my assistant coach no ebe man reward be born about so say ono wanya oni team no extra say from championship no we improve team no we martin mo no apeja say otimi say Manchester 2-0 dey and it say ade no assistant coach no bodjuma e dey abo head coach dey say one improve there no so no some eyes and contract da mana na bibia ay kama kan no e dey fu abo head meeting o cause Manchester no ono so na adwuma asori a eno ye host for assistant coach no dey fu abo head na ko Palmer and then after the game no Central for Bisans ko Palmer now are you ready for the season or say now what's up say asma bizami born one hwe bia na say no bisa nze jono say na born one hwe bia na hwe bi dia and we say me ready na fe come so sad de me say me so modern match Chelsea bebuko no atumi afra aduma kwa adum ntine ko Palmer no ono akwani say ansem no say be gan ha be catch say utu chika man nemo no mafo no mtiase catch say game no hwe bi dia no be say ampa no so no we hungry no ready for success and ko Palmer me free ba ya di bi man no Romo Premier League ni man na say Chelsea aso ya see players no must goes do e dey my friends say Fulham no say na tie and they do kind of real friends say Didier Drogba no about 8 goals at the tier Fulham on entire career of Chelsea. Frank James Lampard, Coventry City coach, and also about 4 goals at the tier. My friends say, yeah, Fulham have no Palmer go no say no, or Benya 3 goals at the team. Your friends say Fulham, and also the free bar. Your friends say Gonzalo Garcia, Obekaya, and Ram. One about second goal, my friends say Fulham, no the player no, or no about the second Spaniard. I was a go, Premier League, Fulham Bobokuna, a Casa Spaniard, a Spanish player. Be a free Spain, second Fulham goes no. I bet the second player, first player no. A reference Adama Traoré a much of my bin or no. About Quedemom and I feel Ram Gonzalo Garcia was about Quedemoma. And I bet the second player of Spain was a go. Adamo from Premier League Nima and also the fear by Uromo Coventry City. And the report about Chester a year. Brentford centre back we reference Ethan Pinnock no ene omna wie from team friends Brentford ko go see akan and the team friends Coventry City eno 6 million euros the player no na 30 year old no we send them mama and so dey fear ba e di na ko Premier League table no so say that after match a week one no and the Brighton for bedi kan almost 3 points plus 4 goals Arsenal 3 points plus 3 goals Brentford 3 plus 3 after Everton 3 points plus 2 goals Hull City Manchester and 24 no or Masters no 3 points plus 2 goals Chelsea Etosunziam 3 points plus 1 goal Man City Tosu and so on 3 points plus 1 goal and Wakine Eswe 3 points plus 1 goal and Kuni Leeds 3 points plus 1 goal Eduno Liverpool Newcastle Sutosu Bakomiano 1 pointer and there is a relegation for no Tottenham them covering system na first time we dem a ebetnya sa animanim ya na no dey free ebedem no player friend say Maxine Lacroix Chelsea defender no Master Chelsea for to player 90 minutes against Fulham no or one assist as a defender no or twitwi room bongo to us na sa ko ni bo bosa Abraham Emma assist back o Edmund Morgan Rogers eche ni go na or 10 clearances e we chire home after cover 10.5 kilometer distance our pitch so defensive contribution no or make it 12 as a 6 ground duels won and a 1 big chance created a new player friends Maxine Lacroix no so the free of no game ni ba edman no ko poma mo and ampanfo say man of the match of the game and new ko poma dey na free ba na nei City bobo ko na report about say player friends say Alan Elias no and from team your friends say Palmeiras no City for ni player na wie ama player na ebe say kan mo and no player friends say Alan Elias no 22-year-old from Palmeiras no and 40 million fixed price and na go to na plus bonuses ono at team friends say Palmeiras no about 96 games was 9 goals make 12 assists the contract running till 2031 and new team friends say City and after Alan Elias and so if you be no about to no and I say Tottenham for player friends Savino no benya no so be say kan mama and so dey free bed Manchester for no yes say Barca Elliot Back player friends Alejandro Balde no and also Manchester for already so be for no contract till 2031 and also dey free bed say Barca for besides something around 45 million euros and a player no etme fi Barca and so dey free ba ya di bi man player friends say Martin Zubimendi no yes and they were reaching agreement with Arsenal say nyar man come Madrid into the player no the Madrid for ready no dey be the banner say so Arsenal for near player no betime ja no ama team player na kusa kan Madrid name no yeso we team kwa use player friend said Eduardo Camavinga if Madrid and some player friends many let me agwa and so report e free ba na di ma Chelsea for no yeso ma contact team your friend say Atlanta some center back friend say Ernest Ahano sa player no ono so ma mesi akan F Chelsea na Chelsea for na Atlanta for di nkomo sa player no mpena and so dey free ba e di bi manti player friend say Ernest Ahano no so Ghana ebian ko sabe oyebotarian no we Italian o si akan e de mo Atlanta 19-year-old no yesi Chelsea for so ma mesi akan for ma no Atlanta for di nkomo and so dey free be na ubeka ya 1986 World Cup finals the hand of God our friends say Diego Armando Maradona go no charity on my friends say England no so the nsa then they say sa ball na ye di ball sa game no 86 ball na so da ho emrofu ekipu ade yi papa in sa ball no yesi nei o ma kwakọ sina says come nya film no 2.8 million euros ball keke na player friends Maradona eden nsa ball mu say go tie England yesi nei impanfo auction sa ball na 2.8 million euros and enya ya and so dey free ba and na owura friends Jimmy Carragher maka just say my way no betin ho asem e Chelsea nsemu a sabe no bebu abam o se Chelsea boboko no entumi for go give friends Sanchez any Premier League no o se da o sa da braka enzi da bia da so ubese go sunsun ni aso nsia unti Premier League no esa say that one team chance no be sense bet ni nyina enu owura friends Carragher so uko Liverpool atama no mo Premier League no mo go give friends Alisson Becker or the post ma a safe pair of hands Obeka last season Arsenal for Premier League no mo go give friends David Raya or a safest pair of hands dem uko Chelsea maza emfa Sanchez ni league enu owura friends Jimmy Carragher and somebody to you Eddie Emmanuel Nuyano obeyed the most decorated German player of all time. And name Manuel Yaupe German player waji trophies do pa na ne football career ma. And they no ura our friend say Manuel Nuya waji 36 trophies ne football career ma as a goalkeeper. Say that here uroma DFB Pokal no eno waji wana UEFA European Under-21 Championship and also waji wana FIFA World Cup 2014 energy Obeka ya FIFA Club World Cup and also waji 2 times. UEFA Super Cup waji 2. UEFA Champions League waji 2. DFB Pokal waji 6. German Super Cup waji 8. NFL Bundesliga no waji 13 Kenya boma 36 trophies nei upe German International watimi aji trophies do on football career ma goalkeeper friend say Emmanuel ya no on na agi sade na enso de fu ebedim Napoli for na average Chelsea for aso ya omkoya omse Chelsea young striker we friend say McGill no 15 to 16 million euros plus bonus is no player no na for Messi kan for Napoli after so many preference be dia so no omasa ko Chelsea for McGill no Napoli a nso de fu eba yedi bi Emma Jones ne nei owura friend say Cristiano Ronaldo ni owura friend say Gianni Infantino FIFA president Edin Komo na president catches 100 goals 1000 goals no my I can't 23 per no what me do na also no obenya 1000 goals no football career na Ronaldo say yes 23 more I can't 23 per 23 say anasa metimi abogum no so be reach 1000 goals in his football career na and no reference say yeah Cristiano Ronaldo also the final so e ba e di bi man reference say Rogers Morgan no or say when Ramu they see a park no so Oniko Palmer the best player on the pitch by a mile. And that is why Omiyan eye Juma Boom to so no onimbo ne bom no obana ko Palmer Japan so ebo bona ne bo amasa feeling no o say eye bam obetimi aboji ni se ne opebia na enu ye de fi ba play friends Rogers ya to no mo am game news ampa ko Palmer eye back se si an season ni dia and Chelsea for no ebe pick mama enu so de fi ba and you say Chelsea for also interest reference Alex Scott o mako bet 3 times ben mo force de bi ada yeah see Chelsea for no so mo yango kwasa ma play friends Enzo Fernandez squad ye ni score ko baby friends yeah Benmof no sikana be osu ye pa because nei team our friends say yeah Benmof no oms Alex Scott no ono o ko be dia ye ntone kwa eno e dey free bed yes City for no pet Enzo omunye na chi di nenye na chi di o chance say transfer window no close nti na Chelsea for no say make people play friends say Enzo dia City for no be see Chelsea for 140 ukra e scheme mo du fabra omunye play at all place na eno e dey free ba edman uromo Premier League ni ma just 3 a year Premier League coaches o me ba fufuro na taking new mantle no first leg ni mutri pe na wini ye Janet Zabi Alonso Chelsea o wini ni de Enzo Maresca City o wini ye enafe Gary O'Neill Ipswich no wini ye o ma kanyina no Marco Rose Benmof Olusuye afe Pierre Sarge Crystal Palace Olusuye Oliver Glasner Nottingham Forest Olusuye Matthias Jesse team friends say Newcastle Obodro Andoni Aroa Liverpool Obodro na afe Owura friends Alvaro Arbeloa Fulham no onsu Lusuya enso dey fear by the man say Arsenal for no one home be nsi be ya and the player friends say Bradley Bakola the team friends say Pierre no Liverpool for month towards Arsenal for akofa because also move forward Omanya Alvarez dia any name player friends Bakola mbesi machi entina say Arsenal for ni players for din come say player friends Bakola no omnya no mpe ombra mesi akan form na niam entimi ko yia enso dey fear by the Alonso and o say ene football no o say ono onya surprised by anything enti betimi abase ne anaso china Enzo be free Chelsea enti ono no prepare ye for play an Exeter and so dey fear ba Edmund real friends say ye Gary Neville no or see Arsenal league no beje or see or share first league and as the first one of games Manchester football draw City and convincing Liverpool able draw Chelsea and convincing Tottenham quite the bobo so nyina no top 6 no or head the Arsenal for their conventions na Arsenal for no betting the league in terms of with a huge margin and you reference Gary Neville and the other two draw and you say so Sadat for no also as have a player friends Hector Ford from FC Barcelona and also the free by the mount player no I say Barca for balloon around 15-20 million euros. Ukura for bra never no na niema entimi koyen for more and also the free by the man Aston Villa for no o Manchester for striker friends Joshua Zexi no so many player no mpe from Manchester and also the free bar and be my friends Usain Bolt no 40-year-old Usain Bolt and within the birthday no akọ promising a girlfriend friend say ye Casey Bennett say obewade no it no amount promise ring say obaba no onya to boss ye emrepe ba no so atime ne ho ade kama no so abaya wade fu antinei Usain Bolt at 40 no or promising a girl Casey Bennett so no so wade no amane matimi akoyi a and so dey fu eba de man Martinelli no you see the reason why we asan say ateta no fa ne nyehwe you see ukọ dressing room ateta no on said that for bobia man on said that nyadan za on said that Philip play and as a player no or dress more than any ha Brahman in Meko Kran and will be an reference Martelli and to no or send any was and nay I love Bobo Kuroko Kusiakan and so the free by the man I say I love for home so many sunny player friends only Watkins are a player friends at Benzema on paying off on Betuanica yes Timon and Wosika Sika kasa ote into 26 million euros ometu ama dollars rather ometu ama Benzema so nko na contract terminate ya and so the free bar Edmund Morgan Rogers no after the game against Fulham no onya 1 goal about 3 shots after draws or dribbles no 100% bobi of ebi otwen oban ko betro 100% dribbles otimi epic here after 5 key passes onya 8 duels won and 100% long balls in the player no and no so start the free bar Edmund and Nelson Villa for no yes the player our friend say Rafael Leono ekopen 60 million euros and esman for ebisa for player friend say Leo and so assembly force we fear bar edi madness nay you see Jude Bellingham say anena team friend say Espanyol players no 7 o mi cross for money ntie o say mo bobo Vinicius no piano push no say ye bobo na asa de na fe de ntokwa na box na mo win so Espanyol players no maza Omanya guys I know see the fear been see Chelsea for San Suaco Madrid for player friends Camavinga so nya no penti Omanya Alex Scott next option no player friends Eduardo Camavinga and new Chelsea as well as Barca for no utudi na sia kan Barca e wo Salis to ma e so betimi ja kwan Frankie de Jong obetimi akọ Julius Kunde obetimi akọ Alejandro Bali betimi akọ Mark Casado betimi akọ na fe Hector Foto mina no ese Barca fo betimi ejomo makwa enso de free bar edi madwede enso na bibia ai kamo reference ye Alexander Sefrin no o si FIFA presidency no on konko na nkoprocha na ninye ho o si UEFA ho ye ne de papa o si UEFA presidency no emu de ho de nto betzen ho awu na bibia kama nto si mu amode linking so ko FIFA president no ono Sefrin so ono enkane plans on pe e ho no ma and so the free bar edi Madrid in Champions League games Barcelona ebo a year 645 Saba both my friends a year Hapoel Beersheba from a year Israel Bodo Glimt both my friends Neck from a year Holland and after last SK no also both my friends Celtic and new games Barcelona Champions League ma and so the free bar edi nay yen from nsem sinafe yen for fisem kakra nsaka no ento asma hwenipa 95.5 FM so
Hwenipa sports
Yemra fi se muna fiam France 7000 for more and they catch us democracy cup na boss Nyamia Sunday House of Folk Phobia Continental Masters bomb ye Kotoko Kumasi Asante Koguma Pameba game Nyamia Mabora Sunday na game ni baso and ye their friends democracy cup na and also boss na get fees no senate here and penforce mo person game ni bi no uremu Nyamia Duma a stadium gate fees near 30 cities ubetimi atua now so akotem akohwebi after 50 cities and after 100 cities gate fees no 50 130 for a year democracy cup na and so the free bar edibi match medals na uroma yes a boxer no we ya 90 moves on your boxers because box no matimi amopopo biasa we friends Ayite Powers former boxer 80 powers na esi uroma Accra Regional Police Command afre no atunza afre no omo ache no se ode ade friends death threats eko owura aye friends eye yaw ampofo anka NS director no ese papa no owura friends 80 powers akwadretin zo beku no obekunu nya no bekuno ntinesi police form akwa 80 powers enso de efu ebe de bi ma odwade enso am sanity ye kan da chentinei akwa no akoka adwam so akotretin o reference ya ampofo akra so bekuna eno enso de efu ebe de bi ma odwade enso run semufro ma e wa fisem no say na tie nei House of Folk makachem say transfers no etmi bibia ama bibia kama 12 players say no kotokos no etmi enya 16 players including a year academy boys no do beru mu na eno so de fu ba ye di bi ma odwede nso a sanete ye nto so e wa fisem ni ma in the report about HS Ura I friend say Mr. Ahmed Meme Mahama okwa ye team friends Karela onu managing member as in wato boots set of boots 30 ade akoma team no some fa enye training for mobo ho no man na yi Karela fo no masa boots about player na ho nkwa da binya biase na so de si akan ho no ma eno so de fu ba yɛde bi ma na afei ɛyɛ mediama top 4 no yɛsi sika samates mediama bibiano goes stand seven dreams obi abenya no ɛyɛ 25,000 Ghana cedis 250 million and a team bia no bɛgye for top 4 participation na enso de free bedima enura ɛyɛ ampemdako a wafu ɛyɛ B Women's Champions League no ɛbɔ first game a ɛhyɛ team friends asek Musa Mabon 1-0 ɛhɔ no ma so epic winning starter eno de free bedima obuzabani
yeah
mokode
yeah bibia fine say ampemdako de na ministry so de krata to so ɛbɔ maba so ɛbɛ show mo well say ɔmonyero mo ho na ɔmonko mo nim de kam teach na no so etimi ɛkɔ so nti ade a mpenifo abomaba so yi papa ɛwɔ hɔ ɛba sɛ ɔmodwumadia ɔmo so AD sɛ da bɛn ɔmbɛte Ghana nim ɛnso ɛwɔ wafu CAF Champions League a ɔmo so no ɛwura mu kakra sa nti I think sɛ good edema ɛma no sɛ ɔmo so atimi anya sa victory no against Asek Musa
last season ko Asek for the show tomato mo
ayade pa for that say mutimi akonko densa de ate o my Ghana nim ti I think say mutimi eyero mo ye papa na sports minister say so mutimi rebuilding your national teams in said ben enema ebetimi across nti honorable Kofi Adams urges comprehensive rebuilding of football system in Ghana nti ecosystem no football ecosystem no benefit the sports minister the mombe rebuilding netimi ahwe no matimi CC Ghana yen football no so from the Andes na kopem the Black Stars na adi nyina said ben ebetimi aboa yi papa kwasi zibo so to Libya enya sam keto akra say what ho asem sa kwasi zibo from La Liga to Libya enye easy so nye sika na wo ma otowa ka ebeyo yakakra because sika de wom sika wom pa
de ono bi agwa say ayi so ofulu pa de yetimi say
sika wom
pa
because only sika ka don't think
$5 million a year
so free agent ono a sika bi a PBI ono ane dia
28 year old ongo sika
I think say obetima kwa gine sika but kwa ju sika ona anko ye na Black Stars ne de u free mo ano no
o say 2 years 2 years na go sign ebia money mo sign page wait me asa
ultima na make say omode mo anko pejade a na say o free mo ano we go for idea those on your money do buy idea but ko be mo Libya sana I don't think say most of the times no mo
so onya day in day out bo day in day out a bit me hasn't performance no
ebia say be Libya nenye
okay
I think say yen crofo we na ye mo ho no so wa oni twa how mo yom ne ma
oh yeah
send African players be your players be bre ya come see kan African terrain I think say come you good
yeah
why so mo de ya no
mo say that unisro bia uma
ya no mo
nya da man chenche ha ya bia na
US chenche I think say
ayizo ago say Saudi ye mefres two pivotal mefres o nyina no
say
ba bia na mo
when day party asem na okay
party no so ko jiska
eso ko
no ko jiska
party the same price wa bobia they go see the safe na ko si so a oba nka bia na ko pie ni dey at least nka wenya bia ba bi kran kan kola num bi ndi nka
championship be nem se fata se kunko nem na wo Premier League
ko nem mo but I think say I won't consider office now and no mo hwe dey ebetimi abo sika wo nti yen kai no na wonyere no ho ongo putu the performance na together said ben obetimi anya na call up the BMO Black Stars that is idea na free and free man no brand na ye ka che no
obeko
nteno enso ye kakra enso no aba bisia no pay ye de ma yeti for enso ewo nti nkomo ne de na edoso papa ewo eho nti we Ghana for right enso over the weekends no modern bond bi ho a omode ye kakra bi ho so a enso dan ko ye ni ade ni nyina no we are hoping for them say afena league na chance nti omo chances no modern bond so no ebetimi akoso ewo ehodom nti ye behwe na fide bebia no ye de honsem so the mighty March commissioner seminar so bus 2nd September FA secretariat nti yen hye no 2nd September March commissioners almost seminar no ebetimi aba so said be ebetimi aboma commissioners so dwumedia omudi nyina no etimi akoso na fe so no FA safety and security seminar and so ebetimi aba so ani nyina no preparation ade a omo ye for the Ghana Premier League nti commissioners na fe omo so mehwe football safety and security na ade so say etimi don fantasy nti nyina no benefit wo mo de nema egu akwan so a ebetimi akoso na bibia etimi akoso de ama omo ana fe FA no so no host FIFA amateur football environment analysis presentation ne nyinaa no enkran ena dwumadi no so koso Black Princesses and so no so welcome one some dia uko U20 and U20 ye ma no so no omo Poland almost go so omo prepare se bibia betimi akoso World Cup campaign against Ecuador 6th of September tournament national say 5th September until we first open ceremony na de na de chia Ghana so no ye boy game and so e wo hwa ye hwese bibia betimi akoso e de ama against Ecuador ti ye hwese ene ma nyina betimi akoso and so e de ama o my Ghana Democracy Cup no so I think say e ba so a e ho come preparation accreditation na de bibia aba bonti akodokone has Democracy Cup no e ba so babanya sports de penifa odo bebede e na e ba ye hwese dwumedi so no e betimi aye kama na aye kati reserve for the Ghana Premier League especially akodokone has e ba be share san players am sign up say de omo put omo training together no be hu say league no hwan be yonko ni nyina no e ka ho binti I think say Democracy Cup no e be very attractive for babanya sports stadium ti ba be kakra no so no e wo yenim ha ye de to dwade ama yetiefo so e no no anopai e wo hodo munti e no ye de e ba e wo hodo munti say ye be fi mu so de na ye hwe say o se de ka ho asem dada say ade adwumadi kakraka no so e ba so e ba so den e wo Asante Achem Dampon Asante Achem ha de you see this time no where energy ni nyina no e wo asia both north central and south no hana ne mai koso yi papa enya some keto akra nti I think say nyina be hwe say bibia betimi akoso we na ye Mame Safoa Foundation collaboration with Ahwenepa FM and ye the inter community gala chenche pa e baso e wo Asante Achem Esubua we ye Mame Safoa Foundation no and presented this inter-community gala. Asante Achem Dampon, but Air Sankari, Esubua, Dampon, Kwaben, Abrawanko, and I can all these communities Nabuma. You say gala, and so at the boy youth, no, my youth, no, at the Germany, no more at the trench from my pomu. Now I name a bonny be a cock so I say youth in I think say all this organization the cock so a tree youth to the free name be brain now. You better ma mess for us the MC at the ma Asante Achem South. In name all ye no a Dawson, all this no was so I say youth no name be Bruno so bit me diagro. Now it me a Bobeka na no ba. Ja so president he was se kwan o a no mo man kwan no mo cheche mo betimi agrase ama tef no e de ama mbro koche o mo
football nets JC drinks
ninsu a de koma o mo last time I think say nani wo youth no so nani do ma chi pa say o mo e betimi agina brane no ma bone chi dom yi na no wa hu say youth no na o mo ani ji age e wo park ne so bra o mo hu say even Mame Safoa mpo e tu ne nice o ba be sra o mo training grounds no
ze me wie me nya ba ko no me nti
o he de ya be nya ba ko no en kre enti na ko ye energy sempa e wo ho nti I think say the foundation no ye nyina ye support on the foundation no na encourage nti we ye Mame Safoa Foundation
in collabo
Ahwenepa FM yes say ye ne de entuma ba no say twe enya de a
so ma ka say agezi yanka agezi yanka nya kan ya ma
obesum because say adepa say ade de nti we ya nti Mame Safoa MC nyame won hira no pa na o mana mo den pa na onyere no ho na onye adwuma mfa mo Asante
me da bia nka se me ade ba ko a oye yem fense ohwe ekunafo ni
nyanka no eno de
Bible kan wasem da bia because obi ho ani kro mfie entuma sin ko nya bi mfa mfira but Mame etimi achama na so bia so Asante Achem South waje so onye kunani ye kunani ku ade a Mame na chama so nya wo de ena enya afi ba ko afi bia obeye yes nti ye mo na ba so for adwuma pa wo ye de Asante Achem South ye wo ye ne papa e beka wo ye bone e beka but adwuma wo ye no obani ye
papa nyame won hia no
on tenasim na on to ne nsem ne se ne wo ye na bibia no ntimi nya ne sa because dodo na hia ne moa dodo na hia ne moa
ba me say na most time MC for ne nkofo bi o mo yes ade no ebi o a okokakra on view on say municipalities be brave on say on central we nwa no be brave municipalities a wodo be brave na
ebed ne kra say obehu no
obetime hu no kra say MC ni na akwakwaka bibia che ne say o ba be ye gala ebi a hwe na no bogui
e kan nyina wafa
na che say ina no bogui ni pe bufa so eni gia ba nti I think say bibia o ye bia no ya me ma na hoden
yeah sports for the yateka
oh say
yateka ejuma ya ma me ya no pani oh ya dis ya ngase ekwesi was magia
me boa mo metamochi amana efe
enti mo asankare esubu adampon kwa me abro nko ye ba
o se wi ani enwi ho na ni enwi o se be fa barrier dadie so akuremu 47 ni breku ne pra river ni adi na no ye be yo mo de nyina ma be wanchi bo mpata sankare subua asankare crew from also adonfe wanchi ye be yo mo de nyina ya akwedi nyina ka ho abe yo fon ase akwa ye fence sambo ni area ne banso mpata mo nyina
ye be say na Christmas e bo winners no
ye bo finance no community gala no na efe nti I think say ye be support ye ma me ni adana se pa e wo adwuma pa ono so oye e bo asante action nti the municipal chief executive honorable ma mesafo apia
batampa
ya me wonsha no wo se na na ko fobi ko din sense mo bezenka an ye yo boguni adebat no dey we condemn that act nye youth ni nyina na etisa so obi wa sabe akudi ne nsa bi na bi ene ma fefa ne tire mu a
aka cho se ade no ntia se bisem
nyenchire mu
na se bi entia nsa opani so
pame eno ne no
onye MC kura na entia nsa
opani so nsa opani so no de
eno de o ya branch na ya se bi ye be gazu nim nyanza eno ye ni wata David opani mu ze
ultimate nsa wona so kra
esa akwa to nkwa na so
no de enya de a ebetimi aboa kra nti eno ye de eba kwa ma mencha Mr. Anabi Mohammed Mr. Anabi Mohammed ono na eye Zongo Caucus NDC Asante Achem South wa and our sign age na for Zongo Caucus na say omo san to abama no na Anabi Mohammed is on a drip coordinator and to adwuma wa ba what me advance abaya drip coordinator oba so adwuma all ye no on say what me during the more position no ono na onya the Zongo Caucus and of fight ya the party ni ba power organize ne hu ye Caucus ni nyina ma ene metim kusa ni power we see ntro bentu no e wo say some maintain no na ultimate eto na dwuma so nsi Mr. Nabi Mohammed Zongo Caucus coordinator and delegates no monkai omo
drip
coordinator monkai no na mo san maintain no na fe nwa akisi ban so monto aba ne ma no
deputy organizer
monto aba ne ma no na Majid nso monkai no say treasurer no so monto aba ne ma Majid na omo nyina nso emeboa ma party no enkan ko ntimi enko na nim yi ti mpanimfu no pay ma encha akisi ba encha Majid na Mr. Nabi Mohammed na fe Pablo Ayman Rantimo ne mojo mo nyina no anope ka se ye chia omo pa
you've organized
Babs so ka se uni ne nkasa
o de be chine nim he
Babi no Babs international Babs
yes game na youth na ko yo yes
Babs ye ne be shia o so ka se ye ne be shia nti still maintain Babs my encha no pa ono so aye adwuma pa na the party they all helping say di bia ye wasante Achem ha bia ne betia to ti ye no masia no pay say ye be ka ho asem bebre
Kofi Lapopu no pe nja kesen koma flashing manager no flash anti Lapopu no pe nja kesen koma ye sorry na money so team no club ya ni team na beto aso
Asanti Achem ni patamu ya tendene promotion KK for the roofing ye no we asimu yesinsa kone saba ni fa ohwe eye ne dware benkum na benkum so dware ni fa KK for the roofing ye dwen ye dedi fo hunti no ye free 1 month promotion enti atete ye ne man so say hu na desi fo contractor for sorry any maku obi for ye ntre KK for the roofing say task be abeton discount that so every 15th August a copy 15th September ye 1 month promotion. It is say what house 25 by 40 and Canino near 21.3. Say ye the about 95 Ghana cedis 60 by 60 and Canino near 1.9. Say ye the about 1.6 Ghana cedis. If a China doors take his door, don't be out to be an Yatiso 35%. Say ye be at the Sifos who be how it's your free nekoi. Be for an intric KK fully roofing. Yet on iron raw size be a no. Anne Tyler's for Najiat only a sentence. Say a 1 month promotion. It's a density for Opia Fabrica Tente. Eko KK fully roofing. Ye was Santi Achem Konongo. SCIM, ye didn't praise me a sorry dine. And it didn't Mushe. And now free 0247 5242 72 or 0247 5242 73. Bisco 24/7 apartment. Ahoy tall. Say in a hot year. Yawo 2 bedrooms flats. Ya kuo. Na ya ne se bi wonya yie bi. Na wo pe ba bi ade ho aswe. Omuti ho a ase de omuti obu fia. Hey, ho nie. Wo kitchen a. Obetimi anu aduani bia a ope. Well finished with your cooking utensils, microwave, and also washing machine. Obetimi asiu no ma. We dey Airbnb papa ya ne bo so da fom. Yes our hostel rooms are and no dan kese ya mpa simbe brudu. Ya no say bi baba hyiamu. Ana mo dos no pese mo daba mu a obia benya ba bia da. Obisco 24/7 in the apartment. Ya hotel rooms are ho honum for reservation. Ya obeda ho a ade akye ye twa breakfast in bed. Yes our single room self-contained. Ya dan nyina so you fully air conditioned. Swimming pool a awiabo a wo ho a obetimi adwodwo ho wom with terrace bar, high security and 24-hour power supply. Brabetist ye ni ne hwe na kodi ho adanse. Obisco 24/7 apartment. Ye wo Asante Atim Jaso. Ye ben